I did the casket for him. I'm back performing. I'm back. Breaking back no home. Look down on him. Like the cafe. Patrick morning. Cash is pouring.
You can't stop me.
Camera phones capture everything.
You know they mad cause I'm hood. You never ever seen something good trick. You want a problem? Start it up. Start it up. Start it up.
Is that waterproof? No, right? No.
We keep his G's in an alloy safe. It's that's the in the Altoid. They say good things come to those who wait. So I'ma be at least about an hour late. I'm so fresh, time to be arrested. New
God.
Hey, I say yes.
Man, I'm only. Oh!
I'm at the mill at the All-Star getting action.
Scared.
With my rings.
You can't fucking stop me, Blizzard, New Jersey, January 25th, 2011. Oh, I can't go anywhere, it's a blizzard, oh! Oh, I can't go anywhere, oh my god!
Yeah, we're going to the gym. The gym!
Turn it, dude, so you can see yourself.
Oh, good point.
You can do it with that.
Yeah, so it's another blizzard. You guys are home, eating, making excuses. Me and Ruben are heading to the gym.
Not because we have to. We don't necessarily have to, we just want to.
Go ahead.
You know, necessarily we don't really have to go to the gym. We don't have to, but we want to. You know, because there's no excuses. DPTV, there's no excuses at all. Guaranteed 100% results. I feel like I'm fucking selling a fucking pill, shit, like a fat burner. Take this. What's up, everybody?